Welcome to this 1-minute meditation. Sit comfortably, straighten your back and neck, jaw parallel with floor, soften your shoulders and jaw, close your eyes, turn your awareness inward. Bring your awareness to your breath and keep it there as the air flows in and out of your body. If your mind starts wandering, bring it back to your breath. Now allow your awareness to spread from your breath all over your body, observing it from the top of your head to the soles of your feet. Focus on the area between the eyebrows, throat, heart and chest, stomach and bottom of your spine. Now gently and calmly open your eyes. You can practice this meditation anytime you want throughout the day or several times a week whenever you feel you need to bring your mind away from the thoughts and into the breath and into the body.